If you only had one ear, think about it. How would you wear glasses or a mask?
Yeah, and if you're a kid, how would you withstand the stares or the bullying? These are things 5-year-old Wesley Pierce of Wallingford doesn't have to wonder anymore, thanks to a California doctor's invention, building not just a new ear, but a new sense of confidence.
I love you.
5 years of waiting and a 10-hour surgery 2,800 miles away.
And I'm going to make this little ear grow.
Have all led up to this moment for Wesley Pierce of Wallingford.
Ready to see this ear?
Born with microtia, Wesley's right ear never fully formed. But using groundbreaking 3D scanning technology, Dr. Sheryl Lewin just made him a new one. And now it's time to see it.
Look at you.
What was that like for you as a mom in that moment?
Relief. Instant relief.
Relief for mom and dad. Comic relief for Wesley.
Open!
It's
That's what you asked for. It's purple. It's funny because I've never had exactly that reaction.
That reaction now going viral and shining a light on this rare condition.
You know, there's going to be another mom someday who's going to have the same condition, and there's more out there now, and he's a big part of that.
Awareness, Dr. Lewin hopes, will lead to a kinder world.
I love having the opportunity to give that to a child and a family, and I love to see their confidence bloom afterwards. But boy, wouldn't it be great if, we are all just so understanding of differences that, you wouldn't even worry about that.
Thanks to her, Wesley won't have to.
I love my new ear.
He's so cute.